Yeah, so guys, samahan niyo ako. I'm going to upstairs. So tingnan natin kung ano meron doon. Sabi nila, pag punta mo daw sa pinakatuktok, doon mo daw makikita yung sinasabi nilang amazing. Talaga lang ah. Ay, sana all. Sana all, naghahawak kamay. Taga sana all na lang mga singlery. And guys, no smoking here.
Yeah.
So, this is the view. Yeah, amazing nga naman talaga.
So amazing, right?
Ito yung tinatawag na Taiko Water Park.
Waterfront.
Ay, waterfront. Wow. Wow. Okay. That's it.